I'll be happy to help you prepare a delicious Peach and Amaretti Crostata. This is a delicious variant of a classic crostata, combining the sweetness of peaches with the crunchiness of amaretti, typical Italian cookies. Here's how to proceed. Ingredients: 250 grams 00 flour, 125 grams cold butter, 125 grams sugar, 1 egg and 1 yolk, grated zest of 1 lemon, untreated, 1 pinch of salt, 500 grams peaches, fresh or drained canned, 150 grams amaretti, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, optional, apricot or peach jam for brushing. Preparation: start by preparing the short crust pastry. Mix the flour with the sugar and pinch of salt, then add the butter cut into cubes. Work the mixture with your fingertips until you obtain a sandy consistency. Add the whole egg and yolk, the grated lemon zest, and knead everything until it forms a ball. Wrap the pastry in plastic wrap and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, wash, dry, and slice the peaches into wedges, or drain them if canned. Crumble the amaretti, leaving a few whole for decoration. Roll out the short crust pastry into an even layer on a floured surface, and line a previously buttered and floured tart pan. Prick the base of the crostata with a fork. Spread a layer of crumbled amaretti over the base of the crostata. Arrange the peach wedges neatly and evenly over the amaretti. Sprinkle with brown sugar and decorate with the whole amaretti. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35–40 minutes until the pastry is golden and the peaches are soft. Remove the crostata from the oven and let it cool. Then brush the surface with warmed apricot or peach jam to add shine. Trivia: the Peach and Amaretti Crostata is a particularly tasty variant of the more classic fruit crostata. The pairing of peaches with amarettis is typical of some Italian regions, where these ingredients are often used in traditional desserts. Amarettis add a unique flavor note and pleasant crunch to the crostata.